Hey, welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a quick episode. It's more of an interlude. I noticed after watching episode 3 that I had written a bunch of errors into the code. Amazingly, it still worked, but this is a quick video on fixing those errors. I think they're all in update bombs that we added in the last episode, that function. The great thing about encapsulating your code in functions, or one of the great things, is that you can collapse them when you're not working on them to get them out of the way with these little arrows on the left side. I've got update bombs open here. The first error was on the fourth line of this function. 1, 2, 3, right here, third line. There was no open curly brace here. And yeah, I don't know how it worked, but Code.org is forgiving about errors. Like if you forget a semicolon at the end of a statement, it'll still run, which is not always good because sometimes you learn more when you make those errors. But there needs to be a curly brace on each of these if and if else statements here. Curly brace, and then alien 4, curly brace, alien 5. Curly brace. Curly bracket, going back up to the top of this function. On if else which alien equals 2, on that next line, this says if alien 1.y, that should say if alien 2.y. And there's another one of those errors down on alien 4. It says if alien 1.y, that should be if alien 4.y. And I think that covers it. Let's test real quick and make sure things are looking right. There's still an error here because we're still getting the sound as if there's an alien out there somewhere that is still dropping bombs. So we got to fix that. I think a good way to do that might be just to watch. Well, let's see if we can find it real quick. It's here. This says alien 4.y, and it should say alien 5.y. Alien 4 was dropping alien 5 bombs. Was that it? Let's change that on line 203 to 5, and then... Yep. That seems to have fixed it. Okay. What I was going to say is that, let's put that error back in just for the sake of argument. What if this was still doing this and I kill all aliens but number 4, and I notice that a little lag here for some reason. I noticed that I'm still hearing bombs drop, so there's an alien off screen dropping bombs, and I need to know which one it is. I'm going to come back up here just above my draw loop, and I'm going to put in a camera command so I can zoom the camera out so I can see the aliens that are off screen. That would be camera.zoom equals, I don't remember how this works, 2? How does this work? The zoom of 1 is default. Zoom of 2 will zoom in, so 0.5 will zoom out. That makes sense. It's just like, it works like sprite.scale. So if I do a camera zoom of 0.5, there's my burst down there in the lower right. Okay, there's my alien, where my aliens land. So I'm going to zoom out a little farther. You can see the bombs chilling over there. That's cool. And the laser. So if I run this, I'm going to kill everyone but number 4 again. And you can see over here bombs are still falling. And I would have to, change the code a little bit to spread them out so I could see which one it is. We could spread them out here. It goes to negative 200 of x. So I could just make number 2 go to negative 150, and then negative 100, negative 50, 0. Now if I shoot each one with number 4. They should line up. There we go. Perfect. There it is. We can see that Alien 4 is dropping Alien 5's bombs. So let's fix that. Let's change this code back to where it was before. If laser touching Alien 1, negative 200, Alien 2, negative 200, Alien 3, negative 200, Alien 4, negative 200, Alien 5.x, negative 200. And then we got to fix that error, which again was on Alien 5. That was down here in update bombs on Alien 5. This should be 9205 now. Alien 5.y is greater than 0. Okay, I'm going to stop this here. Okay, that's all for fixing errors in this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in episode 4 of Space Potaters.